So we got our Rzr here. Took it on our last trip, and the brake sensor don't want to work, so I can't turn it on. Let's see, I need to clean it. So I'm holding the brake right there. Nothing. Nothing. I checked the brake light, and no brake light either. So that means the brake sensor's out. So I got 2 screwdrivers here. We got stuck in the trail. Just grab 2 screwdrivers. Let's see. Right in there. Let's see. Rzr still won't start. I got it cleaned up. So checking online, tested out everything, still won't start. So we ordered this brake sensor right here, little thing right here. So that's what won't allow it to start. Got 2 brake lines in there, a little bit of pressure there, and we'll see. We're gonna need this key right here. So let's try and get that changed up. See if we can get it. See if we can get it fixed. And it's like right in there. That piece right there. Let's see. See if we can get it loose. Man, oh, lefty loosey, righty tight. Lefty loosey, righty tight. So if it's in there like this, so that's tight, so it should be this way. I should have worn some gloves, damn it. Got it off. Looks the same, just muddy. I don't know what stopped working in there. I don't know. Old one, new one. Put them seals back. Lined up around the top. Now I'm just trying to get it in there real tight. Maybe 5 minutes. Tighten it up. It's clean. Man. Oh my god. Alright. So I'm just cleaning up the sensor right there, which is kind of dirty. Well, I've got brake fluid all over it. Just cleaning up the sensor. Here's a wire right here. Let's plug it in and see. How it goes like that. Okay. Now to plug this damn thing in. Let's see. Right there. Oh, bam! Right in there. It's clipped in. All right. Let's test this out. Man. See if it turns on. Put the key in there. Gonna have to bleed the brakes, but Oh my God, look at this. My hands are all sweaty. Yep. Good. Oh, almost killed me. We'll save the next one. We'll save this just in case. But that's what it was. Your Rzr don't start. And you have to hit the brake really hard. Check that sensor. I broken like everything on this thing. Axles. I broke this axle twice. Tie rod. This axle. The rear axles. Twice. Both sides. 4 belts. I need to. Yeah. Just a bad driver. But we'll see what else breaks next. Got the little kids ones right there.